Hi guys, welcome back to SA Kicks and Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Puma Suede Triplex in Rosewater Pink color. Now, the Puma Suede line has been around since the 1960s, and the Triplex is definitely a staple icon among the sneaker edition. So today we're going to be reviewing the Triplex. As you can see, the box underneath the box should give you a whole lot of information on Puma, their sizes. You should see a label like this on your box with your size, a barcode, as well as the addition of Puma and the color. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Open up the box and let's unbox the sneaker. Wow guys, look at that. That is the Rosewater Pink Triplex Puma. Definitely an prestigious icon among the sneaker culture. This shoe will definitely go with various different outfits and will definitely look very eye-catching, very attractive with any outfit that you may wear, and will definitely stand out. So we're going to take a look at some of the features as well as plot out the originality of the shoe and the perfect craftsmanship. So you can see a side angle of the shoe. It has a front rigid sole and the sides have a in drip rigid effect to it. And this is so that your soles of the sneakers are more durable, are more stronger. As you can see, the back has a Puma label, and the sides you have the Puma wish sign or the wish design. Look at that suede, guys, absolutely perfect, very smooth. On the back you have your Puma icon in gold, and the shoe has a very good weight to it, guys. It does not feel cheaply made or light. The texture is very smooth. As you can see on the left, it has Puma Suede with the Puma logo in gold. On the tongue of the shoe you have your Puma logo label, and on the inner soles the entire sole is Puma branded. On the inside of the shoe you have a tag with all of your specifics of your shoe, size, etc. Very elegant, very exquisite, guys. Definitely a high-end shoe, as I've said. The suede on this shoe is very high quality, and you could feel just by holding the shoe that this is made to perfection. Very comfortable to wear. Underneath of the shoe you can see the diamond shaped design. That's to give your feet extra comfort. On the center you have the Puma logo, and that is your Rosewater Pink Puma Triplex edition, guys.